So the DT Watch 11 Pro is getting a huge update, and in my opinion it's going to settle the debate of the best Apple Watch Series 11 alternative. So here it is. Previously it was running the old firmware with the older watch faces, the older menu style and the application icons, and no liquid glass in the control center as well as the widgets page. But now it's changing. In this video we'll be doing a quick review of the full update and the new features. But before starting, if you're new here, a subscribe would be highly appreciated. The update process is quite simple. All you need to do is connect with your Pro application, and here you will see a new firmware upgrade is available. If you're still seeing version 1.6, it means that the new update still hasn't arrived for you, so just wait a few more days until it shows version 1.7. After the update, here's how the smartwatch looks like. I really love this watch face and all of the themes inside it. It's quite smooth compared to the H26 Pro Plus and the H26 Ultra Plus. We also get many other OS 26 watch faces. Let's take a look at them. Here is the second one. We have the compass here and it moves with the watch face. Let's look at the third one. Then here is the digital watch face. Unfortunately it does not come with any theme, but here's how its screen of dial looks like. Then the next watch face we have is this pointer watch face. It comes with different themes here, and it's also interactive and you can access the applications directly on it. Here is another OS 26 watch face. Do remember that all of these watch faces come with their own screen of dial, although it's quite dim. And after that we get some older watch faces of the older models. These watch faces also come with their own screen of dials and they look really nice. And just like this, if you continue checking out the watch faces, so the first 15 watch faces come with their own screen of dial. After that, whichever watch face you use, it's going to use this digital screen of dial. But finally, the watch faces collection has improved a lot and it looks really nice now. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. This watch face screen of dial also looks quite nice. I really like this one. So now let's continue talking more about this new update. We have the widgets page here. So it looks nice, right? But what's special about it? Each of the watch face, the new watch faces, come with their own clock in the widgets page. For example, if you try out the clock here, here's how it looks like. Then I'm gonna change the watch face to this one. Here's how the watch for this watch face looks like. And now let me choose a digital clock watch face. And here's how the widgets page looks like. It's quite nice, right? The overall smoothness is also quite good. And here is the new liquid glass control center looks like. I would have really appreciated if they added the real watch face at the back of the control center, but unfortunately it comes with a fixed wallpaper. And now let's go to the menu. Here's how it looks like. It has a new theme. We have new icons for timers, stopwatch, alarms, and even for the sleep application. Let's go ahead and open the sports application. Here is the new application. Here's how the new application looks like. It's quite nice and quite smooth. Just look at this. And now all of these buttons are functional like the original OS 26. Only one thing missing in the DT Watch 11 Pro's latest update are the animations similar to watchOS. And when we open and exit an application, it has basic transitions. Currently I've chosen scale. Even if I choose normal, it will show basic and simple slide transition. Now let's look at some of the applications. Here is the stopwatch application. It comes with 3 interfaces and yes, it can run in the background. And not just that, here we have the timer application, the alarms application. These applications look quite similar. And here is the weather application. It's still working fine. Then here is the fitness data application. What I've noticed is that in the DT Ultra 4 Pro, we get a little colored circle, but here it is not showing that. So it's missing in this model. We also have the new interface for the calling application. Here's how the keypad looks like, and you can also select filters here. The music application and the other applications look quite similar to me, but the icons look really nice now. So what would iMAT want to see improved in the upcoming updates? First of all, if we move to the first watch face, what I've noticed is that when we use the screen of dial, its wallpaper is not in the middle. And you will notice that when I turn on the display. So you might have noticed that this is also the reason why the watch face is not fitting on the display. After that, when we go to the applications and go back, I don't like these transitions and I would have preferred transitions similar to watchOS. And another thing, if you go to this watch face, There is no way to change the color of this watch face. I would have preferred a black background and a darker shade in this watch face, but unfortunately it's not available. I would also appreciate if they can add the option to change the screen of dials for the watch faces which do not come with their own screen of dials. It would be really great if they could add the 8 screen of dial options available for the older models, as they have completely removed the 4 digital and pointer screen of dials. The brightness issue is quite confusing. Sometimes the screen of dial gets quite dim, but if you look at it right now, it's quite visible. I even have two soft boxes directly hitting the light on it, but still you can see that it's clearly visible. If I go ahead and use it once again, this time it's quite dim, but after keeping it for some time like this, it will automatically become visible, as you can see here. So looks like they're not keeping the brightness of the always on display dim on purpose. To me it looks like a software bug. And that's all from the latest update of the DT Watch 11 Pro. So guys, what did you think about it? In my opinion, with a few more updates and improvements, it's going to become even better. As of now, the watch faces are really well designed. I really like the theme of this watch face. And which features would you like to see in the upcoming updates? Let me know that in the comments. If you would like to purchase it, you can find the purchase link in the description box below. For the upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next one.